Respects. Honorable Chairman, AP State Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker, AP Legislative Assembly, and Honorable Members of the State Legislature. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to address the esteemed joint session of this Legislative Assembly on this momentous occasion of the budget session 2025-26. The people of Andhra Pradesh have bestowed an unprecedented mandate to my government in the assembly elections, reflecting their trust and confidence in the leadership of Shri Narendra Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Pawan Kalyan Garu, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and the complete support of Shri Narendra Modi Garu, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and the coalition of NDA government. The overwhelming and historic majority bestowed upon this government is not only a resounding testament to people's will, but also a strong statement against the misrule of the previous regime. Let me bring the attention of the August House to my earlier address to this House, where I had spoken about the perilous situation we were in due to misappropriation on all fronts in the previous regime. I had highlighted the misgovernance that took place during the past 5 years, 2019 to 24, which had left behind the state on the brink of financial collapse. The people were informed about the true extent of damage done to the state by the previous regime through the 7 white papers. These white papers revealed the gross mismanagement of the state finances, diversion of state resources, erosion of state revenue by looting of natural resources, and flawed policies in excise and sand mining, discounting 25 years of future income by diverting the taxes of the government, exorbitant debt level, and borrowing at high interest rate, borrowings in violation of Government of India guidelines, diversion of centrally sponsored scheme funds, collapse of irrigation sector by stalling all projects, destruction of energy sector, huge pending liabilities to the tune of 1.3 lakh crore.